All right, everybody. Totally buenos dias. Welcome to another traveling Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. This video is as requested. We are at Playa Gringo, just outside of Playas del Coco. And Playa Ocotal, you can actually see the boats right there from Playa Ocotal. Look at this beach. Not many people out here on the beach. Pretty secluded. It's a long hike to get here, guys, and I'm going to show you all of it. If this is your first time joining, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment, as always, with your questions, feedback, requests. I just hiked down here, so I'm filming the intro now. I'm a little bit gasp of air. So we came up from that direction. So in this video, guys, we'll do a drone tour, and once again, I'll show you how to get here. So let's kick that off. We'll see what this beach looks like from the sky.
And we are off. Welcome to the flight here at Playa Gringo. We're going to start off just on the beach here. Take a look at the sand. It's perfect. The water's perfect. The scenery's perfect. Everything about this beach is perfect. So here's the mountains behind the beach. If you're looking out, this is behind you to the left. You can actually see the hiking path that we're going to be taking there. It wraps around the right side of that mountain, right beside the lighthouse. And one more shot, guys. This is my favorite one of the whole drone flight, showing the beach, showing the view, what you can expect to see looking out across as you relax here at Playa Gringo. Now here's a wide view of the beach. You can actually start to see Playa Ocotal off to the right there. We have a video up on the channel of Ocotal. Here's the beach itself. You can see in the middle a bit stronger current, but over towards the right where we're flying, a bit easier swimming over there. And why not take a look at Playa Ocotal while we're up here anyways? Great beach, guys. You can see the black sand there. You can see all the boats are parked there because the water's very calm. Here we are coming back around. This is where a lot of people snorkel from Playa Ocotal out around these rocks. Lots of fish to see, but you can see the waves are a bit more pushy-pulley over on this side. Like a squirrel on a nut, guys. If I see a boat, I'm chasing it. Now, this guy got away from me, but he set up a really cool shot looking out towards Playas del Coco, which is just in that alcove up to the right where he's heading. Here we are looking back towards Playas del Coco. This is where the road is, where you come into Playa Ocotal and Playa Gringo. And on that topic, why don't we talk about where we are and how to get here? So coming from the Liberia International Airport to Playas del Coco, if you want those directions, watch the Playas del Coco video. But we'll zoom right in on Playas del Coco. Now, to get to Playa Gringo from here, you're going to leave the downtown and start heading out towards Ocotal. It's about a 10-minute drive, depending. There can be traffic, there can be people on the road, it can be raining, it can take a little bit longer. But then just short of arriving at Ocotal, you're going to stop at this entrance, which I will show you guys on video. And then for the hike where this video actually begins, I'll show you where the entrance is. We're going to walk up around the top of the hill. That gives you a great view of Playa Ocotal. And then you descend back down around right to the entrance for Playa Gringo.
All right, and that will bring you right to this spot right here. So Playas del Coco, just a 5-minute drive up on yonder. Playa Ocotal, just like a minute on yonder. We've got videos in both those locations. So what you're going to be looking for, the entrance here. So it's at this lighthouse. All right, that lighthouse is right here. The entrance is right here. The last time I was here, this was all blocked off. So I should have brought the BC Moto up. But we'll see how long the hike takes. All right, wow, that's tough. That looks a little crap. So 5 minutes to hike up this. There's Playa Ocotal down there. Man, I'm out of breath. There's more beaches over there. Look, there's water and stuff like that. Wow, now up here, I think there's a development going in. So this is cool. Like last time I was here, this was all messed up. So that's why I decided to hike this. But next time, we'll just use the BC Moto. So let's see how far it is along to get to the entrance of the beach. All right, so we made the trip, about 10 minutes of hiking. As you can see, if you got a jacked up SUV, you could probably do it. If you got a moto with low tires, you could probably do it. Here's the entrance you're going to be looking for. Now, I put the boots on because I don't actually know the snake situation. I don't know if there's any slithery snakes down. Oh no, the whole path is good. Okay, so let's head down to the beach. All right, and we have made it down to the beach. as you can see. We'll get the water shoes on and we'll go around there somewhere. I don't know. We'll go check it out. We'll go check it out. Guys, if you're interested in the water shoes that I'm using, I'll put the link on screen right now. You can find them on Amazon. Supports the channel. If you pick up some gear for your trip to Costa Rica, after you click that link, oh, look at this thing. Whoa, dude, where are you going? There's a crab in there. So I saw this on the way down. It's interesting. What do we got here? Playa nudista. Little happy face. Yeah. Well, I don't think I'll try that. You know what I mean? I don't think I'll try that. I've heard it's illegal. But there's a piece of paper with it written on there, so that might be official. Who knows? All right, got the water shoes on. Ready to go get in the water. I set my stuff up right there. That's how I set my stuff up often. I just hang it off whatever tree just so the ants and crabs don't get in it. It's not really good defense against monkeys, but I haven't seen any monkeys so far. And I don't think howler monkeys really steal stuff. They've tried to pee and poo on me before, but they haven't tried to steal my stuff. So respect where we're due. There's the entrance right there. Once again, guys, there's the stairs right over there. So let's see what the water looks like. I think the tide is coming in, to be honest with you. So here, how far out do I want to go with my unprotected camera? I'm not wearing protection. That's always mi culpa. So it's looking pretty clear, man. I'm going to get out a little bit further when I don't have a camera in my hand. But it's always been clear at this beach. So now down on yonder, it looks like there's some rock outcrops. Let's just go to this rock outcrop right here. So it's rainy season, man, and you can see. Very green here. Very green here. Once again, I think that development is like up there. I even wonder if right up there, I'm sure somebody knows. I'm sure somebody in the comments knows. So out on yonder, that big rocky situation, those mountains, I believe that's a national park. And I always forget its name. I think it's Santa Rosa or something. But I think that's what that is. And that's like heading up towards Nicaragua. And then right back here, you can see, this is the Bay of Playa Ocotal. That's the Bay of Playa Ocotal right there. Just watching where I'm going. So all those boats are there. And actually, see that? Like, I'll point at it. That little rock outcrop and that little one there, I'm going to finger it right in the middle. There's a gap. At low tide, you can walk out to that gap. And in between that gap on the close side, excellent snorkeling. It's one of the best places I like snorkeling. The water's super calm there relatively, you know, depending on, of course, the conditions. But I've seen like needlefish hanging out down there. I don't really see them anywhere else. Now here, I don't think I've dragged my snorkel equipment to this beach. And I don't know if anybody's snorkeled here, let me know, right? I'd imagine some people have, because I see a lot of people snorkeling like right around this outcrop at Playa Ocotal. We got some little tide pools going on here. We just get right up on this rock. Probably a bad idea. Let's see. Let's see the over under, if this is going to be a good idea or a bad idea. Yeah, it would have been all right. Yeah. Stop being a baby. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Playa Gringo in Guanacaste province, between Playa Ocotal, Playas del Coco. Hope you enjoyed that little walkie-talkie tour here and the drone vid. As always, hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment with your questions, feedback, requests. Hopefully I'm not yelling too loud. Water's really barreling in. And around this area, I think coming up in the near future, we're going to do some videos around here at some more beaches. So thanks again for watching. Bye now.